So another way we can run n8n is via VPS, and this is actually the one I prefer the most because you have it hosted with an hosting platform like Hostinger, and they help you with the VPS platform and a lot of storage and stuff like that. So you don't have to go deep into the technicalities. All you just have to do is get your stuff running and focus on your automation. So the very quickest way to do this is you go to www.clickit.com/to/Hostinger VPS. So this is going to give you 20% discount on checkout, 20% discount, and that is very generous. So when you get to the site, you select the hosted n8n from the menu, you choose the KVM2 plan and complete the checkout. So let's do the process. So back to the browser, I'm just going to click right here. I'll just type it in. So www.clickit.com/to. So this is a special link, and it is important that you use it, to be able to get this discount. It's a special one from Hostinger to you using the clickit.com link. So you will visit it now, and you see what happens. So it's loading up. Let's give it a while. So once the page loads up, you're going to see some menu on the screen. So I don't know, my network is a bit slow today. But let's wait for the page to load up. As you can see up here, extra 20% off applied at checkout. So when you want to check out, you have that applied on your account already, or when you want to check out. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this self-hosted n8n. This menu up here, self-hosted n8n. You click on it. So it's going to load up another page where we can buy the hosting for the n8n plan. So as you can see, you actually have 61% of n8n hosting, and you can claim the deal. So at 6,900 per month. So I mean, this is cheap already. You could do this for 30 days or 1 month, and you'll be able to do as much automations as you want, learn as much as you want. But if you scroll down, they have other plans, the KVM2. This is the one I'm actually using, the KVM2, the 9,900 per month plan. There are other expensive ones, 12,900, 5,900. So depending on what suits you the most, you can go for it. But if you want to start off very cheap, you can start with 6,900 for a month and see how well it goes for you. So you can click on this button here that says claim deal, or you can come down and select anyone you wish to use right here. So I'm just going to click on this, claim this deal. Brings me down here. Just wait for the button to load up. All right, so I'm going to choose plan. And this is going to take us to checkout. So you get to the cart page, and you can decide on how long you want to, get the hosting for. You have 24 months. You can go for 12 months. Or you could even go as slow as 1 month, depending on what works for you, depending on your, current, what's it called, your financial status currently. As you can see, the referral discount has been applied, minus 20%. That's if you use the link on your screen right now. And you can check through the other stuffs if you want them or not. So you scroll down here and ensure you choose n8n plus 100 workflows under application. So it's going to use the Ubuntu for you. Then you confirm. So let's scroll up a recap. 1 month just for this test. I'm doing 1 month. Then you scroll down and select the n8n 100 workflows. Most times they will select the perfect location for you. So yeah, it could be Malaysia, or it could be France, or anywhere else. So I'm just going to leave it at what they selected for me by default. Then you can continue. Don't forget n8n plus 100 workflows. Then continue. So it's going to ask you to register on n8n so you can continue. So I'm just going to put my email address right here. I'm also going to put in my password. So my password is in, and I'm going to register. Then it takes me back to the cart. Then you can fill up your information here quickly. So I'm just going to do that very quickly. You will do the same too on your own. Your phone number, your address, your city, zip code. So just fill it as much as you want, then continue. You can make your payments in different ways, but right here, I'm going to use OPay. For those in Nigeria, you can use OPay. If you're not in Nigeria, you can use card, you can use PayPal. I'm going to use OPay because I'm currently in Nigeria, and it's easy for me to make this payment from OPay. And it's going to ask you for a document ID. You could use your passport, so I'm just going to put my document ID here, and I'll continue with OPay. So yes, I'm going to input my phone number and also my PIN. Then next, yes, pay now. So I'm going to get an OTP to my mobile number to complete this transaction. I'm going to put the OTP in. And pay. So this transaction is successful, and now we can click on the button that says return to merchant, and it's going to take us back to Hostinger. So as you can see, your payment is done. Let's go. I'm going to click on let's get started. And now automatically it's redirecting me back to my H panel on Hostinger. Yes, you can also set a password, so I'll just use my former password here. It says one should be uppercase, so I will just put that in here. Then next. Finish setup. Just follow these steps I've taken and everything will be smooth and easy for you. So now it is initiating the setup. You would have to give this some time to complete, and while it is completed, we continue from here. So just let's wait a while and it will be done. And once the loading page is done, it takes you to a page like this, and this is basically it. So from here you could just click on manage app, and it's going to take you to your n8n online platform hosted on Hostinger. So I will just click on manage app, and as you can see, we are in already. So you're going to do the same thing like you did when you make your first registration on the cloud, but this one now is your own platform. So I'm going to use my name and my surname, and also I'm going to use a password here. So it's like I'm registering again, but this is my own n8n right now. Next. So I'm a marketing agency. Just put in anything, sales, marketing. You can fill it as you want, doesn't matter. myself and my team. How big is your company? 20 to 29. How did you hear about us? YouTube. Get started. Please don't skip this. Tell them to send you a free license key. So what this does is it makes it possible for you to have some advanced features on your system. So if I click on settings and I go to usage and plan, you can see you're on the community edition. And so I'm going to use the key they sent to me right now. So this is it. I'll just click on activate license key. They sent it to my email. And as you can see, you are on the community edition registered. And I have 0 to unlimited workflows. I can create unlimited workflows. So as you can see, we are right and ready to begin. Yeah. So let's go back to the home page. And remember, we selected n8n plus 100 other workflows. So we already have some default workflows here already. And you can create a workflow and you can move on. So we won't do much here because the purpose of this video was just to help you get started with your n8n installation, either on your computer or on your VPS or registering on n8n Cloud. So in the next video, we're going to talk about how you would be able to move around this platform. We'll talk about all the icons, all the tools, and how to understand the n8n interface. But on your own, I would advise that you start playing around with it. So we just finished running n8n on our VPS with Hostinger. And previously, I had shown you how to get your n8n running on Docker on your local computer, or you could register on their platform to get the 14 days trial. So you can use any of the 3 processes that I've showed you already so that you could get ready and we can start playing around with workflows in the next video. But before we shut this video down, I want to take you some tasks that I want you to achieve. And the first one is register or run n8n on your local computer or on VPS, or make sure you've registered an account to get the 14 days free trial. Also, log into your platform and click around the interface to just, familiarize yourself with the environment, understand what is happening, try to even create a workflow, break things, we'll repair them. Or you could wait and we'll do everything in the next video. Also, for your reflection, write a note on what you learned so far and share in the Telegram group and also in the comment below on YouTube. And also don't forget, for the community to grow faster, I also want you to comment with your biggest automation goals and the lessons that you've learned so far. And make sure to reply to 2 other people in the comment section and also in the Telegram group. And most important, and don't forget, share this video with 5 persons, friends, families, and colleagues who you think need to wake up in this AI era to join us in our videos and our training so far. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the bell notification. Scrap that. My name is Precious Irieo, and if you want to join the Telegram group and get access to all my slides, visit the link www.clickit.com/AI-hub and you'll get access to all the slides, the future updates, and one-on-one support from me in the Telegram group. For now, bye.